Today we're taking a break from cell phone cases, and I'm going to check out this protective case for the Apple Watch from a company called Clayco. So this company sent me over one of these cases to check out for the Apple Watch, and I thought, hey, I'd share it with you guys. We'll check it out, see what it's like. I'll let you know my thoughts on it. On the back, it does give us some installation steps here. I think it's pretty straightforward, so let's just pull this out of the box, see what it's like, go from there. There you have it. This is the black version. They have different colors available, but yeah, this one is pretty cool. It looks very sleek. Let's see what else is in here. Here we have a thank you card telling how you can contact the company. So yeah, let's get this on the Apple Watch and see what it looks like. First off, we have to remove our current watch bands. So I'll get that done and then we'll pop it in here. Okay, so I have my watch face here and we're just going to pop this in this protective case here. We'll put the dial in first and snap it in. Make sure it's in here seated in good. It looks good to me. Feels like it's in there nice. So yeah, let's put this on. Cool, has a great feel to it. Yeah, I like that. It has a little bit of a texture on here. You can actually feel that texture as well as see it. So I think it's nice looking. The button works great. Let's press the dial and let's see if we can scroll with the dial, okay? It's got the little protective case around it, so kind of have to get in there, but yeah, you can still scroll with it. So yeah, this is very cool, very protective. I have a screen protector over the face of my watch. This comes up over the edge of it, so that's really nice. I can loosen this up a little bit there. That feels better. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Not sure if you're in the market for a protective case or not. I normally just wear the watch bands, but this is a very nice case. Gives it a totally different look, very sporty looking, especially you can choose the different colors. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Let me know what you think about this. Would you prefer just to have the watch bands? Or would you prefer something that is a little bit more protective, such as one of these cases? Thank you to Clayco for sending out this case for me to try out and check. Who knows, I might try some more bands or some more cases in the future to see what they're like. But yeah, thanks Clayco for sending us that. I'm anxious to see how well this works. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.